Hi, my name is Andrew and I am game developer making the game by name Druid Test of Faith. And today I would like to tell you about why Unity is better than Unreal Engine. Let's get started. To answer this question, first of all we need to define what Unity and Unreal Engine is. And basically all these systems are 3D object manipulators, which allow us to manipulate with objects on special scene. Also, the game engines allow us to add a special script file which will define the behavior of an object. If we will take our look at the interfaces, we will find out what we are close to be equal. Both of these engines have hierarchy, console log and detail tabs, which are different only in names. The last part which make difference between these two engines were made by community and is defined as plugins, which you can install and download to your game. So, if both these engines are so similar, there is a point where we can tell what Unity is the best. And the point is hidden in language level. Give me a moment and I will explain you what is it and why is it happening. Basically, the programming languages can be divided by three main tiers: low-level, mid-level and high-level languages. Let's start with low-level language. Low-level language is divided by binary, machine and assembly languages. You could often see the binary language in movies like Matrix. It represents in binary code. The second language is machine language, and lots of people think that it's same as binary code, but it's not. Machine language works as macros for binary commands. The third and last language here is assembler. We can finally see here how it is divided by separated commands, and finally looks like a true language. Also, I would like to show you middle and high-level languages, same as C++, C# and C. So, right in this place is hidden one of the most important parts we should know about language level. Every language except binary consists of previous languages, and it consists not only with parents' benefits, but also issues. As many of you should know, Unity is using C#, when Unreal Engine is using C++. As you can see, the C++ is a middle-level language, when C# is high. So, our choice between Unreal and Unity shouldn't be the choice between engines, it should be choice between languages. And for someone who only starts his game development life, it will be much better to select high-level language. Because if you select C#, you do not need to know anything about language levels. You do not need to know anything about memory managing or about your processor threads. The high-level language will manage everything for you. But if you will suddenly select the Unreal Engine and C++, you will find yourself in a place where you're trying to fix some memory issue instead of making the game. If you do not know any of programming languages, you will need to waste about 3 years just to learn how to write a good code in C++. And if we will compare it to C#, we will need to waste a year. In conclusion, I would like to tell you that there is no matter what game engine you will select. The final result depends only on you and your skills as a programmer. Will you have enough time to learn C++, or better will target yourself to C# and Unity? Unity is a lot better if you just start in your life way as a game developer, and represents the best way to get into game development for everyone. So that's it for this video. I hope you knew something new about language levels and its structure. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Also, I will attach the link to my game and all rest contact data. And you can leave your full of rage comments below.